Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 9 and we will presentation about adaptation of IoT in co-working space. Before we going to the material, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Rafif Irfan Lubis.
My name is Ahmad Gazirian Badar.
My name is Ali Tresna Widiana.
Okay, the system analysis. Internet of Things is a concept or program when an object has the ability to transmit data over a network without using the help of computer and humans. The Internet of Things, or often referred to as IoT, is currently experiencing many developments. The ability of IoT itself is unquestionable. There are so many technology that have implemented IoT system. The benefit of the Internet of Things are that it facilitate the process of connectivity between device or machine and achievement of work eventually effect, effectiveness in controlling and monitoring a job become easier. Source needed is Cisco Packet Tracker. The component we use is first we have home gateway. Home gateway is a device in a computer whose function is to connect a computer network to other computer network. Eight here one or more which uses different information protocols. Two is cell tower. In real file is a device that is installed on the tower which has a coaxial port to be connected to router or service device. Transmit a 3G or 4G signal that will be retrieved by other device using air or wireless media, which then carries several service from the server connect to it, such as internet service, the HTTP web server, and each other. Next is switch. A switch is a network hardware device whose function is to connect a number of computers on a LAN or local area network. To connect it, use media in form of a twister cable or UTP STP, which is centered on the switch. Okay, next is router. The router was understanding can be read first in the previous article is one of the superior device from Cisco. The Cisco router board product has its own operating system, which of course in not the same MikroTik router OS or J or GNU or Linux. The operating system is called iOS. Next is CO server. Central Officer Server is the main switching facility for the telco, providing access to the plain old telephone service or ports, list line, and circuit switched service that the telco offers to customers. It contains the switching equipment that connect telephone subscribers to both local and long distance phone service. Next is server. Server is a computer system that has special service, generally relate to data storage. I'm to provide need to the client who provide access to information to users or users. 7 is CCTV or webcam. CCTV is a camera to record the situation when activity be held. This component can handled by smartphone IoT to get the record to on or off the camera when all activity is going. Next.
Next is PC. PC is a personal computer to work at the office. This component usually need internet to access employment, but this component can access by smartphone IoT to on or off at the working time. Next is air conditioner. This thing called air conditioner can handle from smartphone IoT to on or off the thing when the worker gonna use it. Next is a fan. Fan is a component to make an aerial to the customer in cafe. Fan can handle in smartphone IoT to make the fan low, medium, or higher speed. Next is window IoT. Window is a component can connect to IoT smartphone when needed to open or close it. With use the switch, then connect to smartphone IoT. Admin can handle the window cafe. Next is light. This component need an electrical and switch to be handled from IoT smartphone. Light can be handled on or off from the smartphone IoT. And then next is applicant. In cafe, the kitchen must need an applicant to heat up or cook food. So the appliance needed and can be controlled by smartphone IoT from the admin. IP table. This is the IP table that we make. Next. And this is the topology design. Topology design. Topology design, in our co-working space, we have 4 rooms, namely workspace 1, workspace 2, workspace 3, and dining room. And each room has a smartphone that is connected to the tower, and all gateway are connected to the switch. The switch is connected to the server, and the server is connected to the tower. And we can see below.
Login. To log in IoT, the first step must connect to the cell tower for get the internet with central office server. In this case, our group use DHCP and for the IP and IP4 address for router and switch. Next step, add the router and switch to get the IoT server and DNS server. For the IoT and DNS server, use DHCP, static IP, then switch can connect to the room of co-working space. And then from the switch router, use home gateway to accessibility the IoT things and setting the IP config for connect the IoT to smartphone IoT. After all connected, create some switch to change the IoT things when the admin want to on or off some device from IoT smartphone. To log in co-working space, will input the username and password depending on the number of office admin. In this project, we have IP address 10 period 10 0 10 2 5 3 and use username and password as admin. Then after successful login, the display will change as below, and then we can operate all components installed in all rooms and for all rooms using the same way to operate and components their rooms. And after this, we're gonna simulate how to how the IoT device can connect the smartphone and we can control the IoT device from the IoT monitor in the smartphone. So this is our topology design. We have 4 rooms, working area 1, 2, 3, and dining area. At first, we have to enter the smartphone and then choose the IoT monitor. For example, in the room 1, in the workspace area 1, the door is locked, so it's red. And when we press unlock, the door handle will change into green. And from another simulation, the light from room 2, the status is off, but when we press on, the light will on. And then from the room 3 air conditioner, the status is red. So when we push the red, the air conditioner is on. You can see it from here. It's red. And then for example, in dining area, the window is closed and on the smartphone is red. When we push the red color, it's turned into open. The window has opened. So that's it from our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Thank you and have a nice day.